Hey everyone, let's talk about the 25 Mazda 2, a compact car that proves you don't need to go big to make a statement. Mazda has refined this model to balance sleek design, impressive efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a stylish city cruiser or a fuel-efficient daily driver, the Mazda 2 continues to shine in its segment. Let's break it all down in detail. Exterior design. Mazda's Kodo, soul of motion design language, remains at the heart of the Mazda 2's look. The front end has been refreshed with a bold new grille design, featuring chrome accents that flow seamlessly into the redesigned LED headlights. These lights not only look sharp, but also enhance visibility, making night driving safer. The side profile highlights the car's aerodynamic design, with smooth body lines that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Mazda has also introduced two stunning new colors for the 2025 model: Platinum Quartz and Deep Crystal Blue. These colors add a fresh and vibrant touch to the lineup. To complete the look, the car comes with updated alloy wheel options in 16-inch and 17-inch sizes, featuring sleek, modern designs that enhance its sporty character. From every angle, the Mazda 2 is designed to turn heads. Interior features. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail in the cabin. Mazda has taken a premium approach, offering soft touch materials across the dashboard and door panels. Subtle chrome accents add a refined touch, making the interior feel much more luxurious than you'd expect in a compact car. The seats are designed for comfort and come in upgraded fabric or faux leather options, depending on the trim level. Mazda has also improved the seat ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable driving experience even on longer journeys. The cabin layout is driver-focused, with all controls within easy reach, reinforcing Mazda's commitment to the Jinba Itai philosophy of driver-car harmony. At the center of the dashboard is an 8-inch touchscreen display, now equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This feature allows you to connect your smartphone seamlessly for music, navigation, and calls. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, with responsive controls and crisp graphics. Additional convenience features include automatic climate control, keyless entry, and a push-button start system. There's also plenty of storage space, including cup holders, door pockets, and a decent-sized trunk for a car of its class. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Mazda 2 is powered by a 1.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, producing 110 horsepower. While it's not a powerhouse, the lightweight design of the car ensures agile and responsive performance. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission that's perfect for city driving. Mazda has also worked on optimizing the suspension and steering, resulting in sharp handling and a comfortable ride. Thanks to its compact size and excellent maneuverability, the Mazda 2 excels in tight city streets and crowded parking lots. But don't underestimate it on highways. It's stable, composed, and surprisingly enjoyable to drive at higher speeds. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. The Skyactiv technology ensures that the Mazda 2 delivers excellent mileage, helping you save on fuel costs while reducing your environmental footprint. Safety features. Mazda has equipped the 2025 Mazda 2 with an impressive array of safety features. It includes Smart City Brake Support, automatically applies the brakes if it detects a potential collision at low speeds. Lane Departure Warning, alerts you if you unintentionally drift out of your lane. Adaptive Cruise Control, maintains a safe distance from the car ahead, reducing the stress of long highway drives. Rear Cross Traffic Alert, helps you avoid collisions when reversing out of tight spaces. With these features, Mazda aims to provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, making it one of the safest options in its segment. One of the standout qualities of the Mazda 2 is its fun-to-drive nature. The compact size and sharp handling make it a joy to zip through traffic or navigate winding roads. Mazda's Skyactiv vehicle dynamics with G-vectoring control further enhances the driving experience by improving cornering stability and reducing driver fatigue. Whether you're driving in the city or taking a longer trip, the Mazda 2 strikes a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Trim levels and customization. The Mazda 2 is available in several trims, allowing you to choose the features that matter most to you. From the affordable base model to the fully loaded premium trim, there's something for everyone. Higher trims include extras like heated seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and advanced driver assistance systems. Mazda also offers various accessories for customization, such as roof racks, all-weather floor mats, and cargo organizers, so you can tailor the car to suit your lifestyle. Conclusion: the 2025 Mazda 2 is a testament to Mazda's commitment to delivering excellence in compact form. With its refreshed exterior, upscale interior, and advanced technology, it strikes the perfect balance between practicality and sophistication. Its efficient performance, agile handling, and impressive safety features make it a reliable choice for city driving and beyond. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a city dweller in need of a nimble vehicle, or someone who appreciates premium features in a compact car, the Mazda 2 is designed to exceed expectations. It's not just a car, it's a statement of style and functionality in a small package. Let us know your thoughts about the 2025 Mazda 2 in the comments below. And as always, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Ride the East, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars from across Asia. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.